वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अस्तु, वदतु महोदय प्रश्नाः।
सकर्मक अकर्मक क्रिया गच्छति is an exception. That's what I understood. Others are okay because gachati as such matlab looks like akarmak but it is sakarmak. That is one clarification.
Can you give an example, please?
Okay. Ramah griham gachati. So Ramah gachati. So we can't basically the booklet says you should be able to ask what question kaha matlab or kan kind of thing. Like
today we will
in English
discuss. Today we will discuss.
So all related to that only.
Can you see the screen now? I'll complete this, then you can ask if you don't understand. There are certain rules to be followed, and I have noted down all the points. कर्तरि कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगाः इति त्रिविधाः। कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्तृपदस्य प्राधान्येन कर्तृवाचकः प्रथमा विभक्तिं कर्मवाचकः द्वितीया विभक्तिं प्राप्नुतः। क्रियापदं कर्तृपदस्य पुरुषं वचनं च अनुसरति। So are you clear up to this? उदाहरणं छात्रः पाठं पठति, बालिका फलं खादति.
So in this which is kartari prayoga, I mean which what do you say?
This is kartari.
This is kartari prayoga.
Kartari prayoga. Then in the I mean, like, can you break down each part? Like Chatraha is karta.
I can try. Patham is karma padam. Patati is kriya. So that's why Chatraha is prathama vibhakti. Patham is dvitiya vibhakti. And patati follows whatever purusha and vachana is chhatra subject. Karta.
Karta.
Karma vachakam is karma padam.
Okay.
So this is active voice, right? If I understand in English.
कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्तृपदः तृतीया विभक्तिं प्राप्नोति, कर्मपदं तु प्रथमाम् एव प्राप्नोति, क्रियापदः आत्मनेपदीं प्राप्नोति. Here what happens is, let us do with the example. You read, Mahodaya.
Chhatrena pathah pathyate. So in Kartara Prayoga, it is Chhatraha Patham Pathati. In Kartari, so Chhatraha became Tritya, Chhatrena. Patham became Prathama, Patha. And Pathati became Atmanepadi, Pathyate. So that's why Patha, Chhatrena, Patha, Pathyate. So it's like Path is being studied by okay. So this is the passive voice, right?
Hmm.
You want me to
Maya?
read the others?
Yeah.
Maya tvam namyase.
Hmm.
Maya is a Tritiya Vibhakti of Asmat.
Hmm.
Tvam is
Mam namasi is the kartari prayoga. Tatra.
Mam.
Tvam mam namasi.
Okay. Mam.
That becomes Maya tvam namyase.
No, why
sorry.
mam? It should be aham,
Sorry.
right? Aham.
Aham.
Aham
Sorry.
tvam. Aham tvam namyase. Aham tvam namati.
Namami.
So aham.
Aham namami.
Amam.
Aham
Aham
namami.
tvam namami. So that became Maya
Tvam
Tritiya.
namyase.
Tvam namyase. So okay. So the Kriya Padam follows the Prathama, the Karta Pada.
Tvaya aham nindye. Here?
Okay. So this is Twaham, Tvam, Mam, Nindati. No, Nindasi.
No.
Tvam,
I.
No, Kartari Prayoga. Tvam, Mam, Nindasi.
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 Sorry, there is some background music or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll mute for some time. The garbage collector has come here. He plays music.
Chatrena patah patyate. So
Chhatrah patham pathati has become Chatrena patah patyate.
So that becomes Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, Kartru becomes Tritiya Vibhakti, and then patah, it will be in Prathama Vibhakti only. Okay, patyate.
Then aham tvam namami.
So this is a patyate is like Atmanepadi?
Yes, we will go to that next.
So it has to be in Atmanepadi only?
Yes.
Okay.
In Karmani, it will be in Atmanepadi form. It is not Atma, but it is form of Atmanepadi.
Okay.
But I think sometime back we also learned that we can use Aniyar Pratyaya also, right, instead of Atmanepadi?
What?
We can use Aniyar Pratyaya instead of the Atmanepadi as well.
Where?
So that is different form. Should be. We should do it. If you want should, then it should be Aniya Pratyaya. I should do
so
it.
Then
it should be done by him. It should be done by him. If you want to use, then we want to use Aniya Pratyaya.
Okay. So that meaning is different. Meaning is different there.
Maya padaha padaniyam. Padaniyaha. Something like that. Padaha padaniyaha. Maya padaha padaniyaha. I should read that.
Okay, so that is not literal translation of the active verse. The meaning also changes there. That's what you are telling.
See, padaniyaha when karta, that is normally used for karmani prayoga only. So the Aniyar Pratyaya is only used for karmani prayoga.
So there is no kartari equivalent for that.
No, kartari equivalent is there, but that form is padayat, like that. I should do. I might do it like that.
Yeah. For example, let's take this example. Chatrena patah pathyate. So if I use Aniyar Pratyaya, so it will become Chatrena patah pathaniyam.
Padaniyaha.
Patah pataniyaha.
Pataniyaha. So these two sentences have different meanings. Okay. And what will be the kartari prayoga for that? Chatraha padam padayed. Chatraha padam padayed. Oh,
That you
okay,
can
okay.
see.
So that is different altogether. Okay.
Astu, shall we go further?
Yeah. Mhm.
Saraswati Mahodaye,
Mhm.
प्रश्नः अस्ति वा अत्र?
So if I translate the first one is student studies patam lesson. Okay. So in this, the lesson is being read by student. So in the other one, Anir Pratyaya, it says student should read the lesson. Is that correct? Correct?
Student, the lesson should be read by the student.
Yeah, the lesson should be read by the student. Yeah, there is a difference. Student, the lesson is being read by the student versus should be read by the student.
Yeah, and student should read the lesson was the one which Parmeshwaran Mahodaya just said, the Pathet
Yeah.
form, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear.
No, भावे प्रयोगः. कर्तरि प्रयोगे यदि कर्मपदः नास्ति चेत् तस्य वाक्यस्य परिवर्तनं भावे प्रयोगे कर्तुं शक्यते. क्रियापदं तु एकवचने एव भविष्यति. सीतया हस्यति. सीता हसति will become सीता हसति. तत्र किं हसति इति प्रश्नः न आगच्छति किल. अतः भावे प्रयोगम् अत्र उपयोज्यं शक्यते. सीतया हस्यते. त्वं क्रीडसि. त्वया क्रीड्यते. सूर्यः प्रकाशते will become सूर्येण प्रकाश्यते.
This is Kartari Prayoga. First.
भावे प्रयोगः.
This is Bhave Prayoga.
But isn't it Atmanepadi?
Can you repeat that again? Once again, what you said about the Bhave Prayoga? You said there is
no
Sita
hasati. Sita hasati. There is no karma pada here. Kim hasati iti prashnah na agacchati kila tatra.
So
Tvam kridasi. Tvam kim kridasi iti nasti. Suryah prakashate. Suryah kim prakashate ityapi nasti. अतः भावे प्रयोगः कर्तुं शक्यते अत्र.
But okay, so bhave prayoga, as we learnt earlier, so shouldn't it be like Sita hasanam karoti?
Hasanam karoti, that is different, but here when you
that was also bhave prayoga, right? Act of doing.
Hasanam.
Karoti is a sakarma verb. You are saying sakarma verb karoti. But asati is a akarma verb. That is the difference. The verb is the main thing here.
Sitaya Asate. So this is called Bhave Prayoga?
Bhave Prayoga.
Okay.
And you have certain points to be understood here.
I'm confused because earlier when we were seeing that, right? That's where we were told that is Bhave Prayoga.
Which one?
That is Bhava. Actually, there is some confusion. That is Bhavartham, I think. It is not Bhave Prayoga. Bhavartham.
In the
Bhavadyotaka padas. That's
ninth lesson. In the ninth lesson.
Bhavadyotaka. That's what I remember.
Yeah, Bhavadyotaka.
They are different.
Okay, but I think okay, in the video, matlab they use the
Yeah.
word bhave yoga.
Exactly. Even in the videos, everybody were confused, so that's okay.
Oh,
Video.
yeah, I don't know. I have not seen that video. Anyhow, pramukhaah vishayaah. Ya pratyayasya yoge prathamam akaranta dhatuh ikaram prapnoti. When the akaranta dhatu is there, da dhatu is there, tadati is latlakaraha, isn't it? That becomes diyate. Same way, ma mati becomes niyate. Ha jahati becomes hiyate. Okay, diyate, miyate, hiyate, then pa pibati, that becomes piyate.
Oh, okay. It is based on the dhatu, not the.
Yes, that's why you must remember that dhatu is the end.
Yeah, because pibati, it's not ba. It is ba, but it is still piyate.
Piyate. Then stha becomes sthiyate. Dha, dadhati becomes dhiyate. This is the first rule. Akaranta dhatuhu ikaram prapnoti. That's the first rule. Then dhatoh antima hrasva ikara ukaraha dirghatvam prapnona. Like this G dhatu is there. That becomes jiyate. Stu ukaraha asti. That becomes stuyate. Shru becomes shruyate. Kshi becomes kshiyate. Dru becomes druyate. Clear?
Okay. Dirgha, it becomes dirgha.
This hrasva ikaranta ukarantaha, they will become dirgha. Then third point, dhatoh antima rikaraha rikaram. Apicha
Kru dhatu. Okay.
Here there is some typing error, I think. Ir adesham prapnunti. Kr is there. That becomes kriyate. Who becomes hriyate. Dhr becomes dhriyate. Bhr bhriyate. Sr sriyate. Tr tiryate.
What is this who here? Second one.
Who? Harati. Hr, it should be hr actually. I think there is some typing error. Hriyate.
Okay.
Hri harane is the dhatu. So hriyate. I'll correct this. Okay.
Rikara.
This is r. This should be r. While typing, I have made a mistake here. Rikaraha rikaram prapnoti. Rikaraha ir adesham prapnoti.
Okay. The last one is the example of r, right?
Tru tarane. Yes.
It becomes through.
It's not visible. Actually, two rikaras are there at the bottom, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This should be double rikara.
Yes. Tru, it should be.
Dirgha.
Dirgha rikara. So rikara becomes rakara. Oh, rikara. Rikaram.
Rakaraha becomes rikaram. Rikaraha becomes ir.
Ikaram.
Iryate hastam.
Oh, ira. Okay.
I'll correct this and share this.
Please share this.
Then samyuktaksharasya antima rikaraha ar adesham prapnoti. In Samyuktakshara, the Antima Rikara, this Smr is there, that becomes Smaryate. Okay. Yadi Antima Rikarasya Purvam Vakaraha अथवा पवर्गाक्षराणि सन्ति चेत् ऋकारः ऊर् इति आदेशं प्राप्नोति. पूरयति, that becomes पूर्यते. Then दशमगणस्य, that is चुरादिगणस्य धातूनां प्रथम इ ऊर् अक्षराणां गुणः भवति. गुणाक्षराः इत्युक्ते ये वो अर्. चुर् becomes चोर्यते, घुष् becomes घोष्यते. यज् प्रच् वच् वद् स्वप् इत्यादीनां क्रमेण यकारस्य इकारः, ऋकारस्य ऋकारः, वकारस्य उकारः आदेशः. यज् युज्यते, पृच्छ प्रच्छ पृच्छ्यते, वच् उच्यते, वद् उद्यते, स्वप् सुप्यते, वह् उह्यते. If you understand these rules, it becomes easier while doing your work. धातोः अन्तिम नकारः आ इति आदेशं विकल्पेन प्राप्नोति. Here there is, it can be either this or that. खायते, खन्यते, जायते, जन्यते, like that. Because of this nakara. Then kechana varnanam upantya anunasika. Huh? Yes.
The last one was akarant. What is this? Akaranta or okay, or khanyate.
Khan is khanati, is digging, isn't it? So it can be khayate or khanyate. Jan, jayate means coming to life or being born. So that can be jayate or janyate. Then kechana varnanam upantya anunasikaah lopam prapnuvanti. Dhvams ityasti kila, tatra anunasika varnaha lopam prapnoti. So it becomes dhvasyate. Ranj becomes rajyate. Bandh becomes badhyate. Okay. अस् धातोः भ्रू धातोः कर्मणि रूपं नास्ति इति कारणात् तत्र भू एवं वच् धातूनाम् उपयोगः करणीयः. अस् becomes भूयते, भ्रू becomes उच्यते.
Astatu, we don't have the other form.
So there is no rule. This is just hard coded that this is like this.
Then mlai, glai, shi ityadi dhatunam antima swaraha akaram prapnonti. Mlai, mlayati, mlayate, glayate, shayate, shishete. That becomes shayate. Then gai dhatoh antima swaraha ikaram prapnonti. Gai, giyate. Okay. Then kechana aniyamita rupaha. Here they have not said about any rules or anything. Kshal becomes kshalyate. Drish becomes drishyate. Dhr dharyate. Jagr jagaryate. Shas shishyate. Ashaste, that becomes ishyate, being liked. Okay. Now let us do some kartari and karmani practice. Are you able to see the screen?
It is same only.
Not changed.
Okay. Now. अत्र भावे प्रयोगः करणीयः. एषः भवति.
So here there is no karma padam. Eshah bhavati. Then tritiya vibhakti etena
bhuyate.
Then bhuyate. Bhuyate. Eshah bhavati. Eshah. Etena bhuyate. Etau bhavatah. Then this will be the dvitiya dvivachana rupam. Etabhyam bhuyate.
Bhuyate eva.
Bhavatah, because no dvivachanam, there is no bhuyate.
Bhuyate eva.
Okay.
Ete bhavanti.
Etaihi.
Bhuyate. Same.
So there is no, you don't have to do according to the vachana?
No.
Bhave prayoga, no?
Okay.
In bhave prayoga.
So bhuyate is like always for prathama vibhakti ekvachanam.
Huh?
Okay. And bhuyate is like what form?
Bhave prayogah tatra ekavachanam eva bhavati sarvada.
Prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. Oh, okay. Kriyapada. Okay. So ekvachana and prathama purusha.
No. Prathama purusha eva.
Prathama purusha ekvachana. Okay.
Then do some more, you will get idea. Vriddhah kampate.
Okay. So vriddhah become vriddhena. Vriddhena kampate. Okay. How do we get the bhave prayoga? The word, how do we transform? How does it change? Kriya padam, how does it change?
That is the rule she has told now, all the rules. The rules she has told, so many rules that you have to apply here.
Oh, this is kampate is kamdatu? Kamp. So
those rules were for bhave or atmanepadi?
No, converting the verb from kartari to karmani. The verb has to be converted from kartari to karmani. So that is the rule which has been given. Atmanepadi is different. There are Atmanepadi also there is a karmani verb. Vandade is a Atmanepadi, so it's called Vandyade in karmani. So for both the verbs there is a karmani usage. That is the rule she has told earlier. Any verb should be converted into karmani form. Whether it is Atmanepadi or Parapadi, both are should be converted into karmani form.
Okay. So karmani form is a different.
Yeah, it is different from Atmanepadi. But the reflex, it is behaves lastly, which is a Atmanepadi form. It declines like Atmanepadi. That is what I mean.
Vriddhah kampate becomes Kampyate.
वृद्धेन कम्प्यते,
Hmm.
वृद्धौ कम्पेते, वृद्धाभ्यां कम्पेते,
Hmm.
वृद्धाः कम्पन्ते, वृद्धैः कम्प्यते.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Correct.
Shishuh.
Parmeshwar Mahodaya, you want to say or you want me to say?
Shishuna रुद्यते. Shishuna रुद्यते. शिशु रुद्यते. शिशुभ्यां रुद्यते.
शिशुभिः रुद्यते.
नर्तकी नृत्यति. नर्तक्या नृत्यते.
नृत्यते.
Nru, yeah, there is a ru. Nru is there. Ru will become ru. Nartyate. Right?
Nrityate.
There is a rule, right? You said rukaranta, then it will become r or ir. So this becomes natyate. Nrutyataha. Nrutyati becomes natyate, right? Yeah, natyate. Nartakya natyate. Nartakya becomes nartakyabhyam. Nartakibhya. Nadibhyam. Nartakibhyam. Same thing.
Nartyate.
Because natyete. Okay. And nartakyaha becomes nartakibhyah. Nartakibihi. Malabihi. Nartakibihi. Like that. Nadibihi. Nartakibihi. Nurtyante. Natyete.
Same. No change.
For everything.
Yes.
Natyete. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So how just translate in any language. So what does it mean? Right now it is dancer, dance.
Dancer,
right?
dances. Nartaki,
Yeah, dances.
Dance. It is being danced like that by the dancer. Being danced by the dancer. Like that it will be.
Exact translation is difficult, but
No, that's what they say it in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, any other language.
I can say Malayalam.
Okay, Malayalam say.
നർത്തകിയാൽ നൃത്തം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നു.
But there is no nothing. There is no karma pada. That is what I'm trying to understand. We are just saying, even though it is like hidden, they are just doing dance anyway. So we are saying dancer dances. So how are we converting that karmani prayoga? We never said by dancer, because we are using tritiya vibhakti. And natyete we said. So natyete means
correct.
by dancer.
I also have the same question.
Not possible in Sanskrit to English.
Any other language, Hindi or some other, just use.
Maybe this is specific to Sanskrit.
I can tell in Kannada. I can tell in
Kannada ಹೇಳಿ.
ನರ್ತಕಿಯಿಂದ ನರ್ತಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ನರ್ತಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Atti salpadtadi. Okay. So there we are not using the dance word. Yeah. Atti salpadtadi.
नर्तकी
Okay.
से नाचा जा ऐसे something will come.
Okay.
Tamil will say Nadaniya.
So
Nadiki, Nartaki is dance.
நடிகையால் நாட்டியம் செய்யப்படும். That becomes karma padam, no?
நாட்டிய படிக்கிறது. நடனமாட படிக்கிறது. Okay.
How do we understand bhave prayoga? What do we mean actually by bhave prayoga? Why it is called bhave?
It is because only because that is no karma. That is the difference.
No, that is the different definition, but there must be a reason why it is called bhave, right? Like for example, kartari pada, the kartari is main.
No. Bhava, what I understand is, I don't know much, but what I understand is, bhava ityukte, they represent kriya vachina. They are kriya vachina. That's what I have understood from all these books. Maybe.
What do you mean by kriya vachina?
They are
kriya is
saying, kriya is more important, like that something.
Okay.
That's what I have understood. If you want more information, I'll talk to somebody and find out.
Okay.
So in the first example, when we read Chatraha Patam Patati, Chatraha is a subject. In Karmani Prayoga, Patam is a subject. Who is doing that? Who is doing Patam? Chatrena Patam Patyate. So that the subject changes here. Here also we are using Tritiya Vibhakti. When we are using Tritiya Vibhakti, it is not the subject. It is by somebody. Something is being done by somebody. That something, that Kriya becomes the subject. We are talking about dance. The act of dancing is being done by the dancers. That's what it is. The act of is the English translation, we can say.
So that is called bhave.
Yeah, bhave. Yeah.
So if you understand, that's what in the video of 9th thing, that's where they said, when you say act of something, that becomes bhave prayoga. So that's what they said there, right? So
Yeah,
sayanam karoti. Sayanam karoti, that is also like act of being sleeping.
That lesson
So,
is okay.
So then aren't they same?
No, that's different. Shayanam karoti, tattara bhava dyotaka padam asti.
Bhava dyotaka.
This is bhave prayoga.
Bhave. No karoti. We are directly saying that act here.
Okay.
You want
Maybe
to do
I think
this
this
more, or we will go to the next one?
No, we will do. Let's clarify. Okay. So mata upavishati. So upavishati will become upavishyate. Okay.
Upavishyate.
Okay. So matra upavishyate. Okay. Then matrau. So matribhyam upavishyate. Matarah upavishanti. So that will become matribhihi matribhihi, right? Matribhihi upavishyate.
Upavishyate.
That's what I said. Upavishyate. Okay. Saraswati Mahodaya, you want to do? Or permission Mahodaya?
Permission, yeah.
Vyagrena garjyate. Vyagrabhyam garjyate. Vyagrabhihi garjyate. Okay.
Garjyate.
Guruhu bhashate gurau gurena
Guruna.
guruna bhashyete
Bhashyate.
bhashyate because of that bhashyate gurubhyam bhashyate gurubihi bhashyate. Now I'm good. Anil Mahadia.
Which one? Balah?
Balah.
Balah hasati. So it will become balena hasyate. Balau hasatah. So that will become balabhyam hasyate. Balaha hasanti. So that will become balaihi hasyate. Okay.
Pushpani vigasandi. Pushpehi vigasyade. Krida patuhu.
Pushpani.
Patuhu.
Pushpehi vigasyade.
Ama.
Krida patuhu davati. Patuhu means player.
Expert.
No, bat. Huh?
Player.
Krida patuhu expert player.
Oh, okay.
Player.
Krida patuhu davati. Krida ramena. This is ukaranta. Guruna patuna. Krida patuna davete.
Dhavyate.
I haven't understood. I don't know the rules. Sorry. Dhavyate. Right? Dhavyate. Krida bhatubhyam dhavyate. Krida bhatunam dhavyate. Bhatubihi dhavyate.
Krida patubhihi.
Patubihi dhavyate.
Patubhyam patubhihi. I think we will go to the next one. This I'll share with you and you can work later. Then karmani prayogam. We will do some from kartari to karmani.
Sahatishtati. Anila Mahadia, you want to do or I want me to? Is he there?
Oh, okay. I thought no, she's changing it. She's telling we'll do something else.
This one. Kartari prayoga to karmani prayoga.
Balaka patham pathati. Balakena pathah pathet.
Patyate.
Okay. Sorry. Pathyate. Okay. Saha
Slokam likati. Tena slokaha likyade.
Ramaha phalam khadati. Ramena palam. It will be same only. Palam khadyate.
Bhaktaha devam namanti. So bhaktaihi. Bhaktaibihi devah namyate. Same only.
Devah namyate.
Ama. Deva namyate.
Tam kadam likasi. Tvaya kada likyade.
Sita patau patati. Sitaya Patav is patav only. Patav patyate.
So the
No,
patyete, right?
patyete.
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 Patyete. Dvitiya vibhakti, dvivachanam, pathav.
No.
But Sita is only one, right?
Yes.
No, but now the
Sitaya.
pathav has become Nina, right?
See, Patav, you leave that Patav. Sitaya, like that. You have to analyze.
See,
No,
patati
but
only we are converting, right? We are not saying patanti.
Now patati, shouldn't it match with the pathav?
No.
In Karmani,
Sita is reading two things, two lessons or whatever.
so 2 lessons are being read by Sita, right?
So padyate should be padyate. Padyante. So it should be second one.
Patyate.
Patyete. Because for Atmane we learned, right? So for example,
Okay.
patyet, patayet, no, patayat, patayate,
Padyante.
patyante.
See here.
Padyate.
I thought,
See,
depending on
here,
the subject.
Sita pathati. Sitaya pathyate. That's what it should be.
But karma is there.
Like for example, vandate, vandete, vandante.
Go to the next one.
For-
Go to the next one, you will understand.
Okay.
सैनिकाः देशं सैनिकैः देशः रक्ष्यन्ते सैनिकैः देशः रक्ष्यते रक्ष्यते
So here desham is one singular. So you said rakshate, rakshyate.
Rakshyate. Sorry.
Rakshyate. So we didn't say rakshante because it's only one. So there also part of should be rakshyate.
Yes.
Patyete.
Patyet. Pathav patyet. Clear? Next one.
Me. Drupaha janan rakshati. Nrupena janaha rakshante. Patate, patete, patyante. So rakshante.
padyante.
Anil Mahodaya
is lost somewhere.
Okay.
Gajah kasaram taradi. Gajena kasaram means namaskaram. Kasaraha. Kasaraha tariyade.
Tiryate.
Gajena tiryade. Sorry, tiryade. Gajena kasaraha tiryade.
Kasaram means lake. So yeah,
Pond
elephant
lake.
is crossing the lake. Kavihi kavyam karoti. Kavina kavyam kriyate because krudatu, so kriyate, it becomes
Balakaha kshiram pibadi. Balakena kshiram piyade.
Yeah, sorry, I got disconnected actually. Yeah. So what did we
Bhagavad-
conclude for that?
Yes, पाठौ द्विवचनं किल, so
पठ्येते
पठ्येते.
Okay. धन्यवाद.
After
do
that
you do,
also I did
Parvati?
too. सैनिकाः देशं रक्षन्ति, तत्र सैनिकैः देशः
रक्षते. रक्षते. रक्षते.
नृपः जनान् रक्षति, तत्र
नृपः नृपः नृपेण जनाः रक्षन्ते.
रक्ष्यन्ते
हाँ?
रक्ष्यन्ते
रक्ष्यन्ते, that's what he said.
रक्ष्यन्ते और
रक्ष्यन्ते,
रक्ष्यन्ते, right? Yeah.
रक्ष्यते, रक्ष्येते,
रक्ष्यन्ते.
Now Parvati.
Parvati. Okay, okay. Go ahead, Saraswati.
Parvati tapah charati. Parvatya tapah
tapah eva.
Tapah charyate.
What does this mean?
Parvati does penance.
Okay. So tapah shouldn't be in Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Tabam should be. Tabam charati.
Tapam charati. Maybe. There is some typo.
The Parvati tapam charati, but in the other one it should be Parvatya tapah charyate.
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 Charyate or charayate?
Charyate.
Huh?
Charyate.
Oh, chari. Chari. Chara. Charayate.
Charyate.
Oh, ra is with matlab refa.
Refa is before. Yeah.
No karanta there. Okay.
Charyate.
Charyate. Aham annam khadami. Aham Tritiya Vibhakti. Aham Tritiya Vibhakti is what? As no. Mam no.
Aham maya.
Maya. Okay, okay. Maya. Maya annam. Annam is annam only. Maya annam khadyate. Okay. Maya annam khadyate.
Vayam chitrani pashyamaha. Asmabihi chitrani drishyante.
Drishyante. Okay.
Aham rasam anubhavami. Maya rasaha anubhavami. Anubhuyate. No, aham, right? Then
No, for rasaha.
Okay.
Maya.
No, it won't be Uttama Purusha.
Rasaha is in Pradama Vibhakti, no? Rasaha.
And
Maya, Rasaha, Anubhuyate.
Anubhuyate.
Yeah, in Karmani Prayoga, what happens? The Karma Pada becomes Prathama Vibhakti, right? So Kriya always follows the Prathama Vibhakti.
Right. But no change for the Aham or
Maya. Aham became Maya, right?
No. So when we did like the first one, Patati becomes Patami, right? So like that, there is no change here.
No, it was already following Aham. So it should now follow Rasa.
Okay.
It should change, right?
Aham rasam anubhavami. Maya rasaha anubhuyate.
Anubhuyate. Okay.
Here, try this one. Next one.
Suhrd. Suhrd.
See, what I was trying to ask, let me check this book. See, Vandate, like Vande is the Atmane Padi, but a form of Uttama Purusha, right? Ekavachanam. Vandate is Ekavachanam of Pratama Purusha, Atmanepade. So, like that, Aham, Annam, where was it? Aham, Rasam, Anubhavami. So, Maya, Rasaha. So, there is no anything. Anubhuyate, you said, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is Prathama Purusha. Because Rasa is in.
See, aham annam khadami. What did you do there?
Maya annam khadiyet.
Khadyate.
Khadyate.
So here, what is the confusion?
Like kadye, like that it won't be. For example, what is the difference if the subject instead of aham, it becomes saha annam khadati. The kriya padam will not change between what is the purusha.
No, it won't. See, you already changed it. Now, instead of saha, when you already said khadati. So now it was khadami. So in
right, but when after converting in karmani prayoga,
it is based on annam then, right?
Annam.
That's why it is karmani prayoga.
Okay.
Kriya pada is dependent on the karma. That's what we understood, no? Then last one, you do this.
Suhrda Bhagavad Gita Paditavan.
Suhrda
Bhagavad Gita Padita.
Kimartham pathita iti tatra?
It is a past tense. Is being read by Suhrd.
So what
Bhagavad Gita was read by Suhrd.
So shouldn't it be apathat? Apatata?
No. We have no. What happens is this is patitavan iti tavatu pratyaya. That becomes ta pratyaya. Ta pratyaya. It becomes ta pratyaya. This patitavan, this tavatu pratyaya becomes ta pratyaya in karmani prayoga. Okay?
No.
So Gita, it is Strilinga.
So ta prayoga becomes what?
No, tavatu becomes ta pratyaya. Okay. So, in karmani prayoga.
So patitvan will become what?
Padita. That depends on again. Padita.
No. Here patitvan will become what?
Shlokam patitavan. Then what will it become?
Paditaha. Slokaha paditaha.
Shlokaha. Suhrda shlokaha patitaha.
Okay. So here Bhagavad Gita.
Gita is
Srilingam. Patita. So this sentence, Saha Mam Pashyati. Okay, Saha Mam Pashyati. He is looking at me. Saha Mam Pashyati. How would you change that?
Tena.
Aham. Drishyate. See that. But then it's past tense or present tense?
No. You said depending on the karma, then the verb changes, right? So here I am saying aham. Then would it becomes uttama purusha word? No. Uttama purusha ekavachanam.
Saha mam drishyate. Tena mam drishyate.
Drishye
aham.
won't come.
Tena aham drishyate. Tena aham drishyate.
No, so for everything, I understood that based on the vachana you are changing, but everything is only in Uttama Purusha only.
It is not Uttama Purusha, it is in Prathama Purusha. Drishyate.
But aham is Uttama Purusha, right?
No, you are, this is Karmani Prayoga Kila.
So Karmani Prayoga will have only one, three, only vachana there.
Yes.
Ekavachanam, Vivachanam, Bahuvachanam.
Yes,
It doesn't matter like what
Yes.
Purusha it is.
No, it matters, right? It matters. It is the Purusha of the Karma Pada. Whatever Karma Pada is in that Purusha, it will use that Purusha.
So, okay. Now if I say, Saha Phalam Pashyati, then it will be Tena Phalam
Phalam.
Pashyate.
Yeah, you are correct. I think.
Drishyate. Then if I say Saha Aham Pashyati,
Mam.
Tena Saha Mam Pashyati, then it will be Tena Aham. Then also is Drishye. That's right. Yeah.
Drishye.
Okay. Now you got.
Okay.
This is what I was getting confused.
Okay. Astu. So next is this Lring Lakaraha asti. Adya karaniyam va? That you already know.
Samaya Jet Kartumaha.
I haven't memorized any of these six.
बालकः यदि रुग्णः न अभविष्यत् परीक्षाकाले तर्हि परीक्षां सम्यक् अलेखिष्यत्. Yeah, so if the boy wouldn't have been sick, he would have written well.
Okay.
Written the exam well. I go ahead or permission for the one?
So we are just reading?
Just reading only, no? Nothing to
Okay.
say.
Here there is nothing much actually. Actually, I wanted to do something else, but I didn't have time, so I left.
युवकः यदि समये स्थानकम् अगमिष्यत् तर्हि लोकयानेन गन्तुम् अशक्ष्यत्. युवकः यदि समये स्थानम्, if the youth had gone to the place in time,
Station.
the vehicle wouldn't have gone. What is asakshya?
No, he would have got in the train. He could have sakyade, na? So you should be.
Oh, he could have gone in the train. Oh, okay.
Kantum ashakshyate. Ashakshyat. Okay. Shaknoti. Ashaknoti. Hanuman yati. Hanuman, right? Yeah. Hanuman yadi sagaram na atarishyat tarhi sitam na adrakshyat. So had he not crossed the ocean, he would not, Sita would not have been saved or protected.
Drashyam is seen.
Draksha. Okay. Would not have been seen. He would not have seen Sita. Drakshyat. Okay.
Arjunaha yadi Rana. Arjunaha yadi Rananganad Palayanam Agarishyad
Tarhi.
जनाः तम् अनिन्दिष्यन्.
Hmm.
If we are run away from the battlefield,
Hmm.
people would have abused him.
Hmm.
People would have
Accused him.
Abused.
Accused.
This means
Hmm.
accused him.
So palayana means running away.
Running away.
Yeah.
Palayana mantram they say, no? Whenever you can't win, follow palayana mantram. That's what they say.
I think I should use that mantram with my daughter. Palayana.
Saraswati Mahodaya. You want to read?
Okay. Yeah, I can. Aham yadi purvabhyasam akarishyam tarhi parvatarohanam samyak abhavishyam. Yadi, so if I do purva before, right? If I had done the practice before, if I had practiced well before, then I could have completed the trekking or the mountain climbing.
Actually, the abhavishyam is correct or abhavishyat?
Abhavishyat. It should be abhavishyat.
Abhavishyat.
Parvatarohanam samyak abhavishyat.
Abhavishyat.
Abhavishyat. Yeah. Abhavishyam.
No, shouldn't it be because Tarihi aham parvatarohanam samyak bhavishyam.
Tarhi mama parvatarohanam. No. Actually, abhavishyat only there.
No, if you see.
Akarishyam should be. Akarishyam is okay. Tarki aham parvatarohanam samyak akarishyam. It is bhavishyam is not a bhavishyam is not suitable. Akarishyam you can.
Tarhi samyak akarishyam. Again akarishyam. Okay.
No, I'm just okay. So the aham becomes tritya right here. That's what you're telling.
No.
Like he is still in karmani prayoga.
Mama is Shashti. My mountain climbing would have become good. Would have been good.
Okay.
Or I would have completed mountain climbing good. If we should have, right? Akarishyam.
No, if I say I would have, then it become aham, right?
Yeah, aham is hidden. So then it will become akarishyam. But here it means the mountain climbing would have been, my mountain climbing, mama is hidden.
So is it like this for all the sentences? Maybe. See, for example, Hanuman, yadi sagaram na atarishat, tarhi
Saha.
Tarhi saha, right? Hanuman.
Yeah.
Sitam na adrakshyat. So Hanuman is repeated, right? So similarly, the aham shouldn't it be repeated here?
Okay, next one.
No. So shouldn't it be aham only here?
Where it is aham?
Huh?
Yeah, that is what only. If it is mama sagvaravanam is okay. Otherwise, aham varavana samyak akarishyam. Naito tarhi mama parvadavanam samyak abhavishyat. Both way you can write.
Oh, so
my climbing will be better, or I would have climbed better. Both ways you can write.
So how would we write? I would have climbed better.
Aham. Then the verb should change.
No, aham parvatarohanam samyak abhavishyam, right?
No, akarishyam.
I would have done. I would have done better.
Okay. I understood. I didn't notice. Karisham abhavisham. Matlab, oh, you are changing the verb itself. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh. चलो. वैद्यः यदि शस्त्रं योग्ये स्थले स्थापयिष्यत् तर्हि चिकित्सा सुलभा अभविष्यत्. तो वैद्य यदि शस्त्रम, what is shastram?
Shastram.
Instruments.
Oh, okay. If the
If it is handheld instruments, weapons, it is shastram.
okay.
Remember,
If he has
Jay
put
Kumar
the-
Mahodaya said,
if he has put the instrument at correct place, then the treatment would have been good. Would have been possible.
Easier. Sulabha.
Sulabha, easy.
Yeah. Okay.
Sulabha, easy.
Astu, I'll share the remaining things with you. About this Pravesha exam, I spoke to Jaikumar Mahodaya. What he said, you people need not worry about how to go about it. Once you all give your confirmation, we will fix a date, convenient date for all of you.
Okay.
And time. That day, like the way we did one exam we have done online, same way you can do.
Okay. Oh, so it is with the matlab us only.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, but my point was, see, the registration and other things if you do right, we would have got the books, because I don't have the books actually.
Did you message Jaikumar Mahodaya last?
Yeah, I messaged him, but I didn't get a reply.
Okay, I'll.
You can register yourself via online.
No, but Jaikumar Mahodaya said you don't do that. You come and register through us only.
Yes. It's better to do through Jaikumar Mahodaya. So I'll talk to him today and find out.
So is everybody interested now to take?
Okay. Not many people responded actually. Only four people. I got response from only 4 or 5 people. So let us see.
Yeah. If it is end of July or beginning of August, I think it will be good.
Oh, that
is Sunday, I think.
No. Sunday it will be Sunday if we write according to Samskrita Bharati's. If we stick to Samskrita Bharati, but what Jaikumar Mahodaya said, we can do 1 or 2 weeks later also. But I don't think till August it can be postponed. That I don't.
No, but I think we need to do revision, right? Even currently the videos are still going with the Pravesha books, right? So we have not completed that yet. We need to do that.
That we will finish.
No, that will take time because only June month, and there are, I think, at least 10 plus videos are there.
See,
68. It has 68 videos, right? We are only in 48 or so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So around 10 plus, definitely 10 plus videos are there. So I don't think we can do that early.
If required, we can have one more class also. But you must have time to work also.
Because I have other days, other things booked up.
Yes.
There are many classes. Bhagavad Gita and meditation, so many are there.
Yeah, Jaikumar Mahodaya slowly increase the number of classes.
And this class goes 1.5 hours plus again satsanga. It goes around 2 hours.